नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे क्रिकेट से जुड़ी सारी क्रिकेट कमेंटरी इंग्लिश फ्रेजेस जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जो आप सोच सकते हैं। क्रिकेट संबंधित कंप्लीट डिक्शनरी, कंप्लीट इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी जो आपको मदद करेगी एक कन्वर्सेशन स्ट्राइक करने में, टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग with someone about any cricket match or any cricket tournament. Watch this video carefully till the very end, and if you find it useful, do consider subscribing. Cover drive. This is used by commentators to describe an elegant, beautiful shot played by the batsman. And how can you use the word or phrase cover drive during your conversation with any friend? He has played a beautiful cover drive. The ball is racing through to the boundary. So दोस्तों, इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हमने सीखा the phrase cover drive, a beautiful cover drive. You can use this phrase when talking to someone or describing a scene from a match when a batsman hits the ball through the covers and the ball crosses the boundary line. Bouncer. This is generally used by a bowler, a short pitched ball, trying to aim for the batsman's head or chest. Well directed bouncer. This is generally used by commentators to describe a short pitch ball which has landed safely on the pitch and goes above the helmet or head of the batsman. Now let's use the word bouncer in an English sentence. That's a brilliant bouncer. It misses the batsman's head by a whisker. That's a brilliant bouncer by the bowler. And the batsman ducks. So, I have given you two examples using the word bouncer. Now, try to make your example using the word bouncer. Please comment below your example. Now, let's move on to another of my favorite English phrase from a cricket match. Spectacular catch. The fielder has done a spectacular catch while trying to catch the ball. This is often described by commentators when you see an exceptional catch out by a fielder while trying to run, or he tries to take a dive and catches a ball before it falls on the ground. So, basically, you will use the word or phrase spectacular catch when you see a fielder or a wicketkeeper taking a brilliant catch by diving or displaying some brilliant athletic skills on a cricket field. Now, let's put this in an example. The fielder has done a brilliant or spectacular catch in the field. He's got the leading batsman out. The wicketkeeper has done a brilliant or spectacular catch and he has got the leading batsman out. Now, friends, use this phrase in your own way and make a sentence and comment below. Bowled out for a duck. This is generally used by commentators to describe when a batsman gets out without scoring any runs. Now, let's try and use this in a sentence. The batsman has gone out for a duck. The bowler got the batsman out for a duck. Oh no, what a brilliant spell. He's got out for a duck. So I have given you three examples of using the phrase bowled out for a duck. Now you have to use this in a sentence and comment below. The bowler is on fire. This is generally used by commentators to describe a bowler when he is consistently, regularly hitting the right spot on the pitch and making it difficult for the batsman to play a ball. So, the phrase on fire can be used to describe a performer when he or she is performing really well, especially in the context of cricket. So friends, please try and use this phrase on fire in a sentence and comment below. Fantastic innings or brilliant innings. The phrase brilliant innings or an exceptional innings can be used to describe an exceptionally well played batting side or a bowling side. Either way. So you can use this as per the context of the game. Now try and use this phrase, a brilliant innings, in your own way and comment below. Calm under pressure. This is often used by commentators to describe a situation where a captain or a batsman or a bowler is performing really well despite the pressures on him or her at that given point of time. To give an example, the captain is really calm under pressure and making the right decisions of mixing his bowlers throughout the innings. Now friends, please use the word calm under pressure in your own way and make a sentence and comment below. So friends, I hope you've been enjoying the video so far and are finding it really informative. Please do subscribe, like and hype the video. This will encourage me and motivate me to make more such videos for you. Let's continue with the video. There are many such English phrases being used by commentators worldwide. I'm sure you also have your favorite commentators. Who are your favorite commentators in English? I have personally learned a lot from English commentators in my own speaking English journey. I've found it really useful because it is not imprinted on a textbook. I'm hearing the words, I'm hearing the sound, I'm hearing the text when I'm watching a game. That way I'm able to register those phrases, those words, those vocabulary in my mind and memory, which are more effective than when I am just reading a plain text on a paper or on a book. So this is an excellent and effective way to learn how to speak English fluently when you are actually watching a match right in front of your eyes on a smartphone or on a television set. Try to pick up those words, those phrases which you are hearing for the first time and use those words or phrases in your own way when you are in a conversation with a friend or a colleague or any other person that you would like. There are many such English phrases and sentences which can be picked up during a cricket match. And I'm sure it is one of the most interesting and easy way to learn English, spoken English, particularly while you are actually being entertained watching a cricket match or a cricket series or a cricket tournament. Let me give you a few more examples, which are some of my favorites, which I have gathered during my experience of English speaking journey. That's a gorgeous shot. This one, particularly used by Ravi Shastri quite often. He is firing in all cylinders, means the bowler is firing in all cylinders. The bowler is really bowling effectively, consistently, and making it difficult for the batsman to play a shot. That's an absolute peach is used by modern day English commentators to describe a situation where a bowler has got the batsman out through a really beautiful and unplayable delivery. That's an unbelievable shot. That's an insane shot. That's a gorgeous cover drive. That's a solid defense by the batsman. That's a maiden over. The umpire has raised his fingers and he has given him out. The ball is racing to the boundary. That's an excellent running between the wickets by the two batsmen. The opening pair has put up a formidable score for the opponents. That's an excellent partnership by the two batsmen. That's a brilliant spell by the bowler. And in the context of a test match, you can use the phrase, that's a healthy first innings lead. And we are not far away from the impact of climate change, and we have always often seen how rains have impacted cricket games in particular. And this phrase is often used. The rains have stopped the game for the time being. The covers are on, and we will get on with a slight ad break. The rains have stopped. The match referee have inspected the ground, and we will soon resume the game. And also a terminology used in modern day cricket, the umpire have called for a strategic timeout. The bails have come out for the day's play. So दोस्तों, friends, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप कहीं भी हों, विश्व के कहीं भी हो, कहीं से भी इस वीडियो को देख रहे हो, भारत में हो या भारत के बाहर कहीं भी हो, you are watching this video, please do like and leave your comment below. This will mean a world to me. And I'm sure आगे चल के आपको ये phrases काफ़ी useful लगेंगे, informative लगेंगे to frame your own sentences when you are talking to a friend or a colleague or to someone else, even within your own family, and talking to them about a game of cricket in the context of any recent cricket tournament or recent cricket series. Try and learn these cricket phrases when you are actually hearing them during English commentary. And also do comment below who is your favorite English commentator. I will let you know mine in the comment section. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Please do subscribe to my channel and watch the other videos which are there on my channel for more. Overcome the fear of your spoken English through my channel.